Guys, in this video we are going to check out the GetResponse app, that how it will be installed and how it will be configured. So first of all, go to the agency level and then go to the level of marketplace, and here search GetResponse like this. So install it. So if you install it on all the location, then go install on the agency level. If you install on a particular location, then you can install there. So in our case we are going to install on all the locations, so I am installing it on the agency. So here I allow and enable. So I'm going to proceed it. So in this section you have to wait, like the app is installing and there will be a message that app is successfully installed. So after this, go to the location level like there. So there will be a custom page like this one. So all the installed app will show there. So first of all, configured it. Here I already configured. So maybe my API key will be show there. No. So here you will put your API key. So for API key, you should have a GetResponse account. So here I created this account. So after this, click there on the tools. After this, go to the integration and API, and then click on the API, and there generate the API key and name it like I'm giving a name key. So after this, copy this and then close. So after this, go there and then put your API key and click on submit button. So then credentials are saved. So now you can use GetResponse app in the automation and in the workflow builder.